Welcome to our last day at the farm. I thought I'd take my friends on a tour of where we've been staying for the last week and a little bit. The sun's out again today and it's just beautiful. So this is the backyard, what we wake up to every morning. And this is Ted, one of our sits. Mr. Ted has just hopped in his tub of water because we've been playing and he's a bit hot. I would play with you again, Ted, but where's your ball? Where's your ball, Ted? Okay, we'll play later. These are, oh, where have they gone? The chickens that we look after. Where are you, ladies? There's my boyfriend, Daffy, who I think has a bit of a thing for me. Come and say good morning, Daffy. Good morning. He always greets me in the morning, and when I hop into the yard, he nibbles on my leg. So yeah, we have a bit of a thing going. This is the backyard of the farm. Out the back there we have a cow who was in there to recover from an injury, but she's on her feet nearly all day now, so it looks like she's pretty much back in action. So there is the back of the farmhouse. And our washing. You just can't escape the mundane things of life, even when you're on holidays. You just trek around. Come on, Ted. To the front. This is all the old sheds and things. There's Miss Susie, our other charge. She's an old girl. She doesn't do much of anything. She comes out the back door, walks around to the front door, and that's about the extent of it. Susie. Hey, come on, Sue, say good morning. Let's continue our trek around to the front. It's the front of the farm. More old outbuildings, which I just love. Just love the stone. Not sure where the cows go during the day. That's the back of the dairy yard there. More outbuildings where Tabitha, the barn cat, lives. I've just given her breakfast and we've had our morning snuggles, so that was lovely. And our car that we bought to save on the cost of rental, so that's our little car for our duration, and if we come back in a few months. And the front of the lovely farmhouse where we're staying. So thank you for coming on my tour. I'm glad it's a sunny day for our last day. We're just going to take it easy and soak up the last of Cornwall before we head off on the rest of our travels. Bye, Ted. Looking very bedraggled, but he will dry out. I assure you he's prettier than that when he's dry. We'll see you later.